What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and today we have a brand new FPV crate from Get FPV. This is the August 2019 crate, and I confirmed that with Get FPV that this actually is an August crate. I actually had my months mixed up last month because I got billed in June, and then I got the box in July, so I figured it was a June box. But since we got billed in August, and then we got it in August, literally like 3 weeks after we got billed, or 2 weeks after we got billed, this is the August box. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing and see what we got for this month. Let's go ahead and take this nice clear plastic over it. I actually do like that they package these in these clear plastic, because if it rains and something when the mailman's coming, you don't have to worry about everything getting wet. So another nice little thing there. Let's get that off to the side. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, this is a... There we go. And it goes this way. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Make some room. Looks like we got... Let's see here. Love Diatone. We do too. Get 10% off Diatone products at Get FPV. Use coupon code Diatone. So good. If you guys want to use that, you can. Probably is a... And then we also have another one. Have some bonus cash on us. Get $10 off your next order at Get FPV. Hey, whoever wants to order at Get FPV and use that code, I probably won't use it, but you guys can. So whoever gets it, gets it. If it's not active anymore, you missed out. So then we also got a sticker set. We got a... Looks like some Mamba, so it looks like Diatone is probably sponsoring this box, probably. And I like these ones. These are cool because I'm Viper FPV, and these are kind of like a snake and a viper, kind of like the Dodge Viper that everything is named after on my channel. So that's that. And then we also have that. That's pretty much what it came with, so we're not going to go through that right now. Put that to the side. Looks like we got ourselves a hat. I'm not a big hat guy. I don't really wear a lot of hats because I get sweaty and I don't really like itching my head all the time, but I'll probably wear this. This thing is actually really nice. It actually feels really good. Really good quality. I'll probably wear it sometimes. I definitely like it. So we got a hat. Looks like we got some... What are these things? These are Lumineer race wire. So we got 2 sets of race wire. Hopefully there's more than just 2. Looks like we got ourselves a prop. One prop. 5146. 5-inch prop. And then we also got this little Diatone display stand. I guess it's to display your quads on. I have a rack. I actually have a wall mount. I have a whole bunch of 3D printed things that I mount mine on the wall, so I probably won't use this. I might use this though for my channel because I can probably display things when I'm doing thumbnails, so this actually might come in handy for me. And it looks like for the boost, or whatever you want to call it, the main item for this month, we got ourselves a... What is this? It doesn't even say on it. Mamba Systems. Let's open it up and let's see what we got here. Come on, open up. What is this thing? So this is the... It looks like a flight controller. Yeah. Got some things, a little capacitor, some gummies. And let me go ahead and look. Oh, here we go. Oh, there we go. It's a Mamba F7 flight controller. Wow. So we got one of these. I don't think I have any F7 flight controllers, so this will actually be kind of come in handy. It looks like it does have some type of Bluetooth on it. You can see the Bluetooth traces right there. It has to have Bluetooth because, yeah, Bluetooth, ESC telemetry, S-Bus. Yeah. It's a nice little flight controller. Try to open it up more. See if we can take a look at it closer. Oh yeah, that's a nice little flight controller. I'm going to zoom in on the camera so we can get a closer look at this thing. Alright, so it looks like we got ourselves a little flight controller here. Yeah, we got lots of UARTs, lots of little tiny ports on here. trying to get to we have all our UARTs right here, TX5, 5 volts, and then like I said, we have a lot of cool little contraptions. It looks like this is a boot button. I'm pretty sure that's probably a boot button. I don't know everything about this flight controller, but I'll probably do maybe another video on it. This does look cool. This is very interesting. It has the Bluetooth. I'm actually really impressed. It has this Bluetooth here. I never even know this one existed. So yeah, I probably might do a video on this, just kind of going over everything it is and everything. It does probably have some unique things on it. So I appreciate you guys watching the unboxing of the FPV crate for the month of August 2019. I do these every month. I do FPV crate, I do quad box, and I do drone drop. And then tons of other tutorials and everything else regarding FPV and drone racing and anything you could think of. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.